All right. Test 2 1 2. Test 2 1 2. Test 2 1 2. It's me. I'm here. You guys got me? I don't know what happened. Test 1 2. We're good now, right? We're good. I need to get the news up, and that's about it. We're ready to go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sorry for that. I don't know why that was off. Um, I'll be right there with the news. I'm working on the news right now.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, news should be on now. Oh, Chris has found a way to connect TradingView to IB. We'll try this on Keep. All right, great. Thank you. News is on. We're ready to rock. Everything should be ready now. Good luck. We're back here. We're definitely going to watch that 6,000 level today. 6,000 here, right above us. Right below us, excuse me. I got. Let me see. Did I get out of my thing here? I might be out of my thing. I gotta get my IB up here. It looks like our price here hit our target overnight. QUBT here. QUBT.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, so we're open here. Let's get going. Market holding right on that pivot area.
You are listening to Day
Yeah,
Trading
XAS here,
Radio.
no like
Sign up
getting into
completely
70s.
for free with no credit card. You can try
next.
out all of our services for 10
Exact.
days at dtr.tv
All right, let's see here.
/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
BT. Market's holding above 6,000 right now. It might be a major number here today. We're right on the VWAP, laying right on that VWAP. Holding right on the pivot area, a little bit above the pivot area. See which way we're going to go this morning. UAVS here. Danny Boy's in it. Let's and then ELAB is enough. Morning, host Logic. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. All right, so we got a slow roll here. Starting the morning off. Get my and everything. We got a new monitor over here. Let's see if we get this thing going here. The highs are right above us. Kind of stuck right in the middle of this range. Here he comes. Here's the man.
are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, just getting everything settled in here. All right, so market here coming back down to 6,000, coming back down pretty fast here. We'll see where this ends up. Our first trade of the day is still to be coming here. We traded a little last night. It was pretty good. Had some good setups last night. Just kind of go back into that. There was a couple overnight nice channels. Take a look at this. This is really what we pay attention to even overnight. There's some good setups there. That nice pullback. Nice double top here right around, what time was that? 8:20, 9 o'clock, 9:20. Wasn't much of a spot. And then here we had a quad rotation inside of a channel. Again, just kind of go over what we're looking at. Downward channel, quad rotation, downward channel, divergence. Right now we're in a process of a move down. Not much here yet, but right on the lows. Hey, good morning, Paul. Paul mentioned 950 reversal coming up. And we have this nice little early morning channel, which we kind of broke through at 9:30. That's okay. We're going to keep this regular trend line here. That lower trend line down here, right there around that 6,000 area comes into play. We got a couple movers on the pre-market popper list. Maybe we get into something here again today. UAVS out of the gate, looking very strong. American Eagle, UAVS, that's looking really good. 420. Smoke them if you got them. 420 here. ELAB, not much going on there. QUBT, not much going on. PULM. And,
you are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, let's see if we get a bounce here. Not a bad area. Not a kind of an interesting area, right at 6,000 level. Paul jumping in here. Right off of that level. Let's take a look here. We'll take a Hey, Racer, good morning. Racer up nice and early. I think we have a good shot for a bounce here. Going 950. Nice call, Paul, here. Right off of that 6,000 level. Tom just triggered also. QBT here, popping a little. Anybody else having issues with the audio today? I did change some of the settings on this to have you get a little higher definition because it wasn't getting any good. But I might actually change some things up back for the show and then do the sound is good for most people out there. All right, fine. Oh, Discord, thank you for updating me on that. I gotta get that Discord up. We'll get that going for us. Oh, man. That's Reggie. Good morning. A little low, but sound is clear. A little low. We'll turn that up there. We'll get a little higher there. Oh, Jam, good. We got a little switch up on the music tape. We're going to some '90s, some '90s stuff this morning here. We've been playing classic rock for such a long time, so kind of. Z car here, 23% higher. Z car on the move. This is an interesting level here. I like this level here. Alright, let's go on the Voxer, put everyone out there, get everyone in front of the computers, make sure everything's working here. Good morning, trader. It's 9:48 a.m. First move of the day here. We're right down here on a quad rotation on the lows, a lower trend line, and a small little divergence here, a little lip divergence right here, 6,002 to 6,003. Starting to move up here now off this level. Buy signal here to start the morning off on the 950 reversal. Just looking for our first pop of the day, 950 reversal. Typically, we find a move around 950. We'll watch that 6,000 major area at the time. I would expect 6,000 to be tested at one point today, but
you are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, there's a little bounce there. Little bounce. But again, that 6,000 major number, we came right down to it, touched it to the tick. So I'll have people getting in here. Yeah, I think Bay Street mentioned maybe a possible. When do we get that pullback? If the pullback comes, it's a healthy pullback. All pullbacks are healthy. Bulls on parade here. Perfect song for this bounce here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Bulls on parade here. I love Bulls on parade. Nice pop here. 30. 31. All right. I'll take that off here. I'll take that one first trade off here. Just had the contract on. Bring us up here. Start the morning off good. Zoom car back on the move here. Thank you, Racer. Let's take a look at a couple of these other ones. The market there, nice little pop there. Beautiful little pop on that. Here's a couple interesting. Here's a 7-cent stock. Let's skip on that one. PULM here, though. I'm going to circle a couple of these. Not much going on there. UAVS here. 374. Starting to pull back a little. GXAI. This one could go. We'll keep an eye on this one. Let's take a look at the daily on this. Yeah. GXAI here. Gaxos AI. Yeah, JI, that got called on the Voxer. We've been talking about that setup here since the morning here. Yeah, it's right on the screen too. I mean, that's the important part, is actually seeing the screen and seeing the trades live. No, you don't have to get order flow, Murphy. Don't have to get order flow at all. No, that's a negative. That's just an indicator that you delete that indicator on your NinjaTrader.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
So we're going to take this market apart today here. We're going to be having a little fun with you. Good morning, Fred. Good talking to you yesterday. See Fred in the room. Trading from Thailand. Fred's over in Thailand for those Thailand traders out there. Can't get enough of it. I know how he feels. I was a little tired this morning coming up. So we're going to watch this. Let's watch this area here. The 6,000 major level today. 6,000. Got an initial bounce off of it, and we'll watch this. Oh, I like this song. Are they staying enabled? Are they staying enabled? Murph. Murph. You need to give me a little more information. Is it the first time it's not working? Is it the first time you tried it? Is it staying enabled? Is it on a trading view or the Ninja Trader? I'm taking this on the Ninja Trader because you're enabling it.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
guys, I know there's a lot of new people on here knowing how things work and stuff. You gotta help me out on the rock buy. You gotta tell me a little bit more information why it's not running. You have it? Is it enabled? Maybe it didn't take any signals. I just can't tell by that thing. And yes, I take the trades on the thing. I announce them. Again, make sure you have the Voxers, because those Voxers usually giving us those levels. But I usually, I have the screen right on the screen, so you should see it. The screen right here, lower left-hand corner. There it is here. This screen here. One more look at this here. General Mills here, kind of getting a little pop. I like that GIS. All right, PULM here. Again, some of the cheapies pop in here. UAV. Is it staying enabled? Do you sure you have it? Are you trading with the rhythmic, or are you trading with a prop trader? Have you used an NinjaTrader before? Lab here dropping off here. Look at that. That's a 3-cent stock. That's nothing. So Murph, are you able to activate your scripts? Are your scripts able to be activated? When you're running the script, does it turn green on your connections? Is your connection green when you connect to? I don't know how you're trading the bots. Are you trading it through the rhythmic? You trade it through like your interactive brokers or something? Market here right off the low, 6,000 is that big level today. It might be a good shot. We hold on down here right off that 6,000. Again, we want to be a little bit more aggressive in nature on trading, instead of taking, if you're going to take those, again, make sure your 9-3 is on your side. No trade before it's time. We need to have a legitimate setup here. We actually had a little closing price divergence up here that kind of turned us over right at 930, 945. We had the 950 kind of bounce, and now we're kind of just stuck here. Hey, Glockman. Do you see me on the Discord, or do you need the YouTube up and running? I could try to get the YouTube up and running. Um,
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Right now we're going to watch the 6,000 area. So this is a kind of an interesting area. It's a big level right underneath us, but we're holding off of it by a couple 2 points. We are oversold on the quad rotation again. I would think that we have a better shot of a bounce right here, but it's a dangerous area because of the potential amount of orders lined up here at 6,000. And if we flush it, we might see some selling here. Murph says installed the Ninja for the first time. The bots are in the Ninja, but they won't run when I enable them. It's just something wrong in the machine number. I say you can help out, please. Murph, put your machine number in the room there for me fast. I'll check it. I will get to that, Vishal, I will get to that if you give me just a few minutes here. I just want to make sure it was. Looks like YouTube is streaming. All right, thank you. Let me double check that for you. All right, that's the issue here. Murph, it's your machine ID. Let me get that in for you. It might have been it might have went to my spam. I did not check my spam last night. A lot of the machine ID numbers go into that. Michelle, I'll get to you next here. Let me just get Murph set up here. Market is still holding on here. I take a little long. Well, I can't shit. I was going to take a long, but my ID is open here. Hold on. Let me get Murph's up here. Come on. I like the long here with the stop right at the lows. I can't tell you how many people. So a couple of them are slipping through. I don't do that on purpose. I'm sorry.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Trials this morning. I don't get to the trials yet. So this is Brian. This is Brian, right? Murphy. This is Brian Murphy. All right, good. I'll make sure I'm going to put you in the machine here. Put you in this. Very good. Very good, my friend. We're going to hook you up. We're going to hook you up big time here. All right, now, Murph. I bet people call you Murph, right? People's names are like Brian Murphy, which I have a lot of friends that are Brian Murphys. I don't know if that's an Irish name and stuff, but we would call him Murph. Whoever we call him Murphy. Oh God, we have so many videos. T2KYUTS. It's hard names here. Market, do we get that flush through that 6,000 area? Again, for you guys just joining us, we take maybe two different type of trades. We look for the quad rotation, which is a combination of all four stochastics being oversold, but we also have to have a couple other indicators lining up for that. Another thing is we're looking for the divergence setup. So unless we got those setups, we're pretty much staying out of trouble. But when we get those setups, that's when we take those trades. So we're kind of hanging on that 6,002 area. We're gonna get another quad rotation here in a second. We're just about there. All right, so we got Murphy set up here, and now we're gonna go to. We got Vishay. Vishal. I have a lot of people named Vishal on the site too. Take it as an Indian name. I got your. Let me get you set up here. Let me double check you. We're watching that low come in here. Not doing anything until we get our setups. So it's fine. Give me a second here. K-A-K-A-R. All right, I got two accounts for you. You probably have one that you closed, and then you have another one. Which one am I looking at here? I got Vishal Qatar and Vishal Qatar 1. I want to say it's the one, because that's the one I see you using. All right, we're getting you set up right now. Market here right on 6,000. Right on 6,000. Are we going to hold this? Are we going to hold the 6,000, get another bounce on it? I like handling things this way. That way I can just take care of them in a room. So if you're in the room and you did send me an email, you didn't get set up, to just fire a thing in the room here. I think we're going to probably hold here for a second and get a little bounce. Let me get the shell up here. Oh, come on.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, look for this bounce here. We have just a quad here. Just another quad. Lots of times these quads we're seeing these bounces. Mike Tyson's fights tomorrow. Anybody going to be watching that? I don't know if I'm going to be here. I don't know where I'm going to be to watch that, actually. For whatever reason, I'm in the office. I'll stream it live on DTR too. Well, it's on Netflix. Everyone can get it. All right. It says that your license is already good, Vishal. That you're already set up your ID. That's weird. Let me double check that because you said you just gave it to me. Copy. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, because you were an old member. That's what it was. And it expired. I know what it is. I know what you are now. This is your old thing. I got you covered. All right, now I'll give it a shot, Vishal. Sorry. All right, give that a shot there for you. It should be okay now. For some reason, I had another old account of yours. All right, so I'm marking here now. Again, kind of that quad area, fighting with that 6,000 level. Tough area here. Tough zone here because it's such a big number.
Coming up at 10:30, natural gas storage. A build of 34 BCF is expected.
Oh, my QUBT here. Hold on.
Coming up at 11. Moving gasoline inventories.
Why isn't it taking it off yet?
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at
Hey, Paul, you think you can get Bobby to sell me another one
dtr.tv/free.
of your
Thanks for
one of those
listening and have a
computers?
great day.
All right, we're out of our QUBT here. But I'm trying to get my there it's over here. I can't find my exit area on this. You gotta be kidding me. I sent out an alert yesterday on QUBT that we're going to sell it around $4, right before $4. It got up there pre-market. My order did not take. I just sold it now. For some reason, I didn't put a good to cancel, and I think it just expired at the end of the day. I didn't do. You got to be careful on your orders after hours. Hey, Steely Danzig, that number is not an Ninja Trader ID number. All right, we're back over here. We're trying to get a bounce back up here. We came down to that lower trend line. Good lower trend line. Good good quad rotation trend line. So this is a combination of things that we like to kind of jump on off of that trend line. I didn't take this. But this is usually a good reactionary bounce. We're also on the previous low, which makes it a kind of a daily candle, double bottom, right off of that level. All right, thank you, Steely Danzig.
You are listening to Day Trading
What do we got
Radio.
here?
Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Here. Hold on. He's telling us to watch this one. I gotta get this. Come on. I hate this chasing. I hate chasing these. Was it good news, Racer? PULM here. Damn. All right, looks like it's open up here. $7. Order contains invalid input. Please correct. Oh, man. I messed that up. Investigating where the merger of Pulmonex is fair to shareholders. Oh, all right. So, I don't know. That news looks kind of lame-ski. All right, let's see if we can get back over that 6,000 level. This was a kind of an interesting quad rotation zone off of that lower trend line. It's about a 3-point stop. Maybe I put it in this. If we take this, maybe for a pop up to the 50-period moving average, we're kind of, I don't have a position, but I'm definitely watching it go without me here. I think we get a little pop here based off of that trend line, based off of quad rotation zone, and just looking for a big enough pop to get us back over the 80 line here. And once we get up to 80, we'll see where we can do, where it goes from there. So good risk reward to the upside here.
GRPN group on moving here at the highs of the day at about 5%. November, GRPN.
All right, that's again. Watch that rotation to the 80 line. We're going to get that rotation up to the 80 line, right up against the 50 maybe, and again, smart money takes that off. PULM here. All right, so this is where we talk about smart money getting out. Here's your rotation up to 80. You have the 50 period, and look at the reaction off of that. Small little reaction off of that. Again, guessing where this is going to, how far this is going to go. Off the 6,000.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio.
Typically, we
Sign
get that
up
rotation.
completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Above 80, pull back here. Kind of a little pullback here. Rotation above 80, pullback here. So now we're at that trend line again. Let's see here. We'll get through that. Nice pop there. Yeah, it was kind of a coil here. Someone mentioned, would we consider this a coil? That absolutely. There's 4 little lips there, or a high, lower high, and lower high. 4. It's very important to have those 4 lower highs and an underlying channel into that area. So if you could start to realize that you're kind of getting that coil down, you're kind of waiting for everything to set up, and then when everything sets up, this comes down, and we get that quad coil, what we call a quad coil. This is what we call a quad coil. It's one of our setups. Again, if you go to that prop section on the If you go to prop section on the DayTrader Radio site, I want to show you something fast. Can anybody confirm that YouTube is on? Because I haven't seen the screen there on that. I'm all over the place here today. All right. We have a new coupon. Don't forget the new coupon, 91% off on the Bullnox. That's good. It's only for 50K and higher. It doesn't work for the 25K, but the 50K is only $15 and change. I think it's $15.75 or something. That's really cheap for the 50K account on the Bullnox with that DTR 91. So if you go to the prop account section there on the site, I'll post the link in the room so you can follow it. If you scroll all the way down on the bottom here, scroll all the way down past the coupons, past how to run a prop account, you're going to run into an area. What is an official super signal? And we didn't even check the 3 minute. We gotta work as a team, people. We have to have people watching that 3 minute set up here. The 3 minute, the 5 minute setup is here too. Usually, if we get the 3 minute, the 5 minute setup also. But here we go. Here we got a. All right. So super signal is a merger between. I go over this all the time. It's a merger between a quad rotation and an HPS setup. HPS setup could be a divergent. It could be a coil. It could be a lower trend line balance. These are just little areas that the market gets reacts, but we combine that with a quad rotation, and then things turn into a super signal. So quad rotation is a quad rotation and a divergence, a quad rotation, a coil, stochastics, or a quad rotation and a trend line touch. All right. Give you a better idea of that here. Quad rotation coil. So it's really up there. Quad rotation coil is right underneath a quad rotation divergence and the quad rotation trend line and the quad rotation. These are our super signals that we want to get into all the time. Hey, Tune. Great. I'm glad it's working. Now look at that trend line. Whoa. I didn't even notice that. I just had that chart up there. So we got that overbought 80 trend line. This was someone mentioned the coil, which I want to kind of mention that. That was a good call on that person's part. QUBT here, continue to push here. Vishal, did I it's still not working. It's giving me an error message to email. Hold on, guys. Slow down. Nice. Yeah, it works good. All right. All right, I gotta turn off this music. It's driving me crazy now. I should have lasted that far with the music. I'm ready to go out.
You are listening to DayTrading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Can you see what we're looking for? I want to knock over some chairs. Slow it down a bit. So let me show you something. I'm going to get you guys set up with your bots and stuff. That's coming. But let's talk about this setup here because it came around so close. It was underneath the 6,000, right? We're underneath that 6,000 area. And what I'm talking about here is our closing. Whenever we get a big candle and our other candle comes back and cancels that candle, and we kind of flatline. Remember we talked about that rogue candle in the beginning? And then it pops back up, and then you start to hold off of those lows. We don't count that rogue candle. It's just a flusher. It's just kind of a flush candle. If we have a reversal candle, it kind of takes that right back. So our closing prices, remember to close, are kind of our relative or the average closing price all starts to hang up here. And then actually you start to see it holding up here. It's kind of hard to see as it's happening because it's such a fast little flush, and then it pushes back up, and then we have this consolidation here, and then that move up. This is something that you could, if you start to see this, I went over this a couple times last night with this with our Thailand friend. Just that little flush there is so important. QUBT here back up to $4. If you didn't get out the first time, it's giving you an opportunity to get out the second time. All right, Omar. I see Omar going here. Racer, come on. We see, you know. Why am I not seeing it on my thing? Is it? Oh, there it is. It is taking off here. I want to circle it here. Like this would be where I get in right here and see how it would work. QUBT here pushing higher.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, I'm going to work on the guys now. Michelle, I'll come back to you in a second and see what's up with that. I want to get, who's the next up here that we had up here? Agent 87. All right, we got up to that VWAP. VWAP, big letter, a big number here. 6,009. Big area there. Big area. See if we could actually break through that. That's 6,000. It's doing pretty good. Held up pretty good today. I mean, we did flush it a little. Let me get the agent 87. Let me see what. They keep on piling up here.
CPRI, holdings dropping to the $75 up 6 cents now.
All right, Martin, I'm working on you here. Martin's a lifetime member. Thank you, Martin. I think I. All right, it says agent. It says your rock bot is already registered. Let me do a deep search on this and see if it's set up right. All right, agent. I have it registered under. What do I have this under? It says RC74. That's weird. RC74. I want to delete that, remove that, because that expired in 2023. I'll remove that license, and then we're going to put euros in here. I've been getting sometimes a two machine IDs that are the same on two different people have the same machine IDs. I don't know why that is, but all right. Now you got agent. You're good now.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, Vishal, we're gonna get you back up here. Let's take a look here. Steely Danzig, did we get you going? Steely, did I finish you? I don't know. Beautiful coil there. That was a nice setup there. Off of the. That was nice. Through the VWAP now. Up against the 200. Pivot area is just above us. We got a small little micro divergence here. Micro divergence on the sell side here. Micro divergence on the sell side. This is still very strong, so be cautious on that. When we see this is pointing up or above 85, and we get these little pullbacks, we're going to time these pullbacks and look for more bull flags than anything. It could be signals on all different things. And the thing is that, all right, so Steely, I gotta get you set up here. It looks like you're not up. Running. Hold on.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, let's take a look here. Let's catch up with our stocks here. If you guys, anybody else has any issues, and I guess to bring it to my attention. Omar here, again 705 consolidating. Again, QUBT here though, looking pretty good. QUBT. Continues to look pretty strong here. I would expect this to pop here. Quantum computing. Let's take a look at Rigetti computing too. Rigetti. Yeah, it's still pushing up a little. The quantum computing stock's looking pretty good still. Glockman, what are you saying? You can display your trades in the corner of the chart. I can't see it. Oh, it's gone. It's because we were looking at something before. Sorry about that. We were looking at something on the thing. So here it is. A couple of trades earlier this morning. Nothing since the early morning pop here. Just give me a second here. I'll just stand it up a second.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right. Oh, yeah. Ooh. So winter's here. Let me fix this screen here so we can tell what's going on here. Nice short there. Nice, good catch there. Good. Um, Vishal. Uh, post your post your thing in the room again, please. Post your thing in the room again. If you're not, post your machine ID one more time in the room. All right, nice little rotation down. Almost kind of a, you see that little wavy area came, almost a, almost kind of a coil here. We do have some news coming up. Dawid's not at the office, he's at his program. Whatever the program he goes to, I don't know what the program is. He's on a computer. So we got that rotation. Now starting to rotate over on the 14.4 and even the 60.10 might be coming back down now. So we get these bounces. Possible
You are
first
listening
pivot.
to Day Trading Radio.
Right on the
Sign
200,
up
the 200
completely
has
for
been
free
holding
with
up
no
pretty good
credit
looking.
card. You can try out
Pretty,
all of our services for 10
good
days
here.
at
Still waiting for your number in
dtr.tv
the
/free.
Still waiting for your number
dtr.tv
in the
/free.
Michelle.
Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Put that machine ID back in the room here so I can retest it. I can't scroll back and find it. I tried to, but I couldn't find it before. You should be probably at the QUBT, but up around 4 or out of that. All right, you guys have any stocks you want to go over? Let's go over some stocks here. I got a couple GIS. I've been watching this GIS down here, and I like it a lot. Starting to 65.17. Came back down into a good area. Yes, EXAS here, Exact Sciences. 5 to 7 day pullback after a gap down. This is a classic setup that we look for over the years. When we have news, usually news on earnings. And again, because this is a drug company, this is a, what do you call it, diagnosis and research. I don't know if it's healthcare. Might be a little bit different based off of what the news was, but typically we get a gap down, and it takes about 5 to 7 days before the selling pressure kind of dries up and we start to turn back up. So as you can see, this one's right in that zone. We're right into our 7th day. Don't know much else about it. What else? What is the Exact Sciences? I remember I traded this one way back in the day, but I don't see any markings on the chart, so I'm not in this one. But what are they known for? We're going to take a look at the SPY here, too. Oh, you mailed it's the the mail-in poop test. just so bad. It's just so bad. So take a look at the SPY here. The SPY doing a good job of just hanging up here. It's not really selling off. It's not really. Here's the 5-minute time frame. I'm just looking at the SPY. The 5-minute on the on the 5-minute kind of represents what we have on a 60-10. So if we look out here, we're starting to rotate back over. We're starting to rotate back over for the downside. Moving up on the upside, moving down on the downside. So we're about 66. So look at where we are here. So if we look down here at the 60-10, you see where it's at, 69, 68, give or take a point. This really represents our 5-minute time frame. So that's why we look at the quad rotation when we get these big bounces off the quads. It's because we got the 5-minute on your side and the 1-minute on your side. Now that we have, when you get up here and you get oversold, then you have the 1-minute and the 5-minute on your side to the downside. You get that pullback. Now we have a 1-minute time frame that's oversold, but the 5-minute is just starting to rotate over. So you could get these bounces and kind of start to pattern. I like to call pattern out. Push up to like the VWAP again, come back down, and start to form this downward channel that matches our 60-10. What caused a big gap down? We just had some news. You heard Mr. Land? Mr. Land was just mentioning some news here, so if we did get a little pop or drop, it's probably because of that. Wave Racer. What bot are you using? The Super Signal 23? I have that running on multiple things. Well, let's see. If it was running on the MES, and we should have the same setups I do. The 5-minute had a good setup here on the 5-minute.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
I prefer you to use it on the 3-minute and 5-minute as we zoom out here. You should have these on your chart. These entries on your chart on the MES. 3-minute time frame. 2203, 2302 area. Again, 2 o'clock, there was another perfect setup. There was one in the morning here. So you have it on the micro with MNQ, which this is on the micro too. And zoom out a little bit further. Here's another one. Great entry. Look at that perfect entry. Now some of them go fast because of the parameters that are set. So it's not about like, I'm not really paying attention to the profit gain because we're paying attention to our entries. This is what we want to know where the proper entries are, and then we're going to adjust our stops and follow it up based off of market conditions. So this is what's great about this, having multiple. So if you're not getting any of those signals, are you getting any signals on your machine? It should backtest Wave Racer. It should backtest and it should put in the setups. If you had some setups there, it should put them in. All right, we got a trend line retracement here. Now, normally, if we had a quad rotation, this would be a good setup. It might be a good setup anyway, because you do have that trend line. Now, remember, do you see how this trend line, we didn't count this up here? That's really important to understand why. If you have a good, if you have a good area, like a good 1, 2, 3 channel, and then news, like 9:30 news comes out, we pop and we push back. It's always the first pop that defines the proper trend line on this. So we have this little move here. You know, we're just watching the markets. Markets pop up here. We come back down. Once we get this lower trend line, we're going to put it up to this pivot up here. And we're going to, once it confirms that, that's what we're going to keep with us. We're never going to pay attention to a first pop out. So when we get back, and that trend line becomes really key in the first pullback. The first pullback, that trend line retracement becomes pretty key here for a bounce. The egg sandwich, my egg sandwich all in different pieces. It's all in different pieces. It's I have bread all over the place. Bacon's falling out like not that great. I like my other one better. Did Vichay here put your I don't know why he doesn't put the machine ID back in the room like I asked. Please do that if you want me to help you. Yeah, we'll give that a shot.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
MTEM molecular templates are located on a circuit breaker at the
Let me check my. I was up all night, Steve. I couldn't sleep last night for some reason. I kept on waking up all night. By the time I woke up at 5:30 this morning, I said, I'm going to come to the office and lay down in the office. I got up, it was dark out. I came into the office at 5:30 this morning. I said, I don't know why. I just, looks like it could break down here a bit. MTMEM here. All right, 115. All right, let's take a look at that. Molecular templates here. MTEM here. 84 cents. Starting to move up here. Do we have any good news on that, Racer? I want something with some good news. See that OMER? Remember I put that in, I said, watch this. I'm just going to circle where I would have gotten in. And I've already been underwater. See, I would have been underwater on that. I don't chase these. QUBT here, hanging in there. Again, look at this one. It came right back down hard from $8 down to $5. That could kill you. That'll kill you. You don't need any of that headache, right? GXAI. But the MTEM here looks kind of interesting. 82 cents.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, let's take a look at the markets here. We got the S&P down 11, NASDAQ down 61, Russell's down 8, the Dow's down 25. Stocks on my list that are higher. Disney up a big 8 points here. Disney. All right, I might take my Disney off here. We got a nice profit on Disney now. DIS here. Let's take a look at the chart. There's a daily. Again, we have 30 shares at 88 and change. Big pop on this 110 area. Yeah, I'm going to take this Disney off. This is a big pop on this. Ah! My B just crashed. My IB just crashed. All right, I'm going to take this off right when I get this thing back up, just to kind of let you know. I'm going to take the Disney off here. But I had to restart my machine here. Got a small little trend line here starting to form. All right, so Disney up here, nice. Netflix up about 6. ISRG up nice. AMAT, FedEx, JP Morgan, the video all up higher. McDonald's up a little bit higher. I still like the McDonald's down here. Apple a little higher. Dollar General hitting the highs of the day. DG, we're going to take a look at that one. Also going to take a look at Target going into the Christmas holiday session here. I think we're going to have a nice pop here out of Target going into the next month. Yeah, Target looks good. It's not running away yet. All right, my IB is back up. Let's see if we can get rid of our Disney.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
All right, I'm out of Disney. Chart alert's going to come into the box here soon.
Coming up at 11:30.
Fed Powell is going to be speaking in a little bit. This could cause some volatility in the market. Let me guys share with you a good site here. This is my trade alert box here, but we're going to take a look at the Forex Factory. You might want to keep this, bookmark this Forex Factory site here. They have a great calendar. And when we talk about that calendar, let's move that calendar over so you can see it here. All right, so coming up here, Fed chair speaking at 3 o'clock today. So we're going to watch that. The Fed chair speaking at 3 o'clock. It's in red. We got President Lagarde speaking, ECB President Lagarde at 2 o'clock. That's coming up. It's about 11:22 right now. That's about it right now. But you can look overnight. Sometimes you can see some good things here. 2 a.m. Tomorrow, Friday, retail sales. So 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. afraid to look at my emails now. I try not to look at my emails during the day so we can really focus on the markets, but I know I gotta take a look here. Oh my God.
MTM elected the templates. Shares now trading for $1 at the high. Michael.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Yeah, we're gonna get ready. We might take this. Might be worth taking that. I don't mind that. I don't know what the news was. Was there? Did you post that news there? Halted right now. So MTEM. Again, we're back up toward the VWAP here. That's true, Dowie. Thank you, Dowie. Sometimes I pull away because I have a couple of screens and I have to move over to the other screen. I don't have a headset microphone, so I have a standing microphone, so I'm away from that. Let's see if we get through that VWAP. You can see the bigger picture playing out here. The bigger channel. That was a good 1, 2, 3 channel. 1, 2, 3. It's actually holding 4. It's pushing back up. Pivots above us now. I think we can get through this area. I honestly think we can get through this zone here. How's you guys? How's the audio for most of the people out there? Sometimes it might be on your side, on your bandwidth, that you might not. Wish we had a little better setup here. Again, this is kind of just kind of pinned underneath the rising trend line, and the VWAP kind of compressed here. Our 60-10 has really been sideways. That means we are looking sideways. Audio's great on Andy. Audio's Dowie says it's good there. On FFWD. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Audio is great. I think it's on your side then. Oh, that's what I was going to check. I have a bunch of stuff being delivered to Amazon, some audio cables and stuff today. Let me see if I could get, if my Amazon is here. I give it to the next. Maybe my Porch Pirates to get it. I would love to get a Porch Pirate. I'd like to see a Porch Pirate get away from me. It says arriving today between 11:15 and 1:15. All right, that's pretty good. 11:15 to 1:15. Arriving tomorrow.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Okay. MTM open here. Was there any news? Did you post that news there? I don't see if there's any news on that. $1.08. 200% up a dollar. It's $1.08 here. $1.10. Hey Alexa. Good morning.
Good morning. And happy birthday to me. I just turned 10 years old. Here's to a decade together.
Oh,
and
God.
more memories to come.
Jesus. Alexa, what happened today in history, other than you?
On November 14, 1851, Moby Dick, a novel by Herman Melville, is published in the USA.
I'll give you a Moby. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Good morning, John. Currently, in West Nyack, it's 44 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 47 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
36 degrees, low of 36. It's getting cold. Alexa, play question of the day.
Welcome back to Question of the Day. The topic is general knowledge. It is worth 1 point. What is the most popular sport in the world, with more than half of
Soccer.
the world's population considering themselves fans? Choose from the following: A. Tennis, B. Baseball, C. Cricket, or D. Soccer.
D.
Nicely done. It's estimated that more than half of the world's population consider themselves fans
They don't
of
call
soccer,
it soccer.
with 4 billion people following the sport.
Idiot.
One of the major reasons why people are so passionate about the game is its simplicity. The rules are easy to understand. There is not much equipment needed, and
You gotta be
anyone
kidding
can
me.
play.
What is that?
You are
What
with
are
the
the numbers?
88% of fans. This question
Easy to
collected.
understand. I
You
don't
have
understand
earned a
anything. What are the freaking
393rd
cards they're
general
doing?
knowledge badge and 1
Why is there
point.
always time at the
You
end of the
have 4
game? How do you
correct
know when the
answers in
game is
a
going to
row.
end? No one knows
You
when the
have
game
earned
is
a
going to
total
end.
of
It's the most
5,570
complicated
points.
game ever.
Here is your bonus
Can't kick
question.
the ball in front of you.
Topic is
Can't kick
science.
behind you.
It is worth 8 points. In chemistry, which isotope of hydrogen has 2 neutrons?
Oh, come on.
Choose from the following: A. Tritium, B. Deuterium, C. Protium, or D. Vibranium.
Jesus Christ. I mean, come on. Can you give us anything easier than that? I'll let you guys answer this one. Repeat.
In chemistry, which isotope of hydrogen has 2 neutrons? Choose from the following: A. Tritium, B. Deuterium, C. Protium, or D. Vibranium.
Deuterium.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio.
And there she's
Sign up
gone.
completely for free with no credit card.
Typical.
You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks
B.
for listening and have a great day.
I missed something. Can you say it again?
Repeat the question.
Sorry, there is nothing to repeat.
Alexa, play question of the day.
Welcome back to Question of the Day. Here is your bonus question. The topic is science. It is worth 8 points. In chemistry, which isotope of hydrogen has 2 neutrons? You can choose from
Come
A.
on.
Tritium, B. Deuterium, C. Protium, or D. Vibranium.
B.
Good guess. The correct answer was A. Tritium. Hydrogen has 3
I was letting
naturally
Regal
occurring
Beagle answer it.
isotopes.
He was 100%.
Protium is the most common and consists of a single proton,
Nice going,
while
Regal Beagle.
deuterium has 1 proton and 1 neutron. In comparison, tritium has 1 proton and 2 neutrons in its nucleus. 17% of our fans got this one right. You have played 3 days in a row. That's it for the question of the day.
Oh my God.
Now, would you like to see if you're in a 5th grader?
Oh yeah, yes.
Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a 5th Grader? You've got a brainy box waiting for you. Let's open it now so you can claim over 300 free bonus trophies in the 2-player edition of the game.
No.
Are you ready to open your box and start your 7-day free trial?
No.
Okay. For today's double trophy challenge, you'll be facing off against Oz. They're ranked 7th most skilled in the Champion League with 2,196 lifetime trophies. Now, let the showdown begin. For your first 2 trophies, answer this first-grade animal science question. True or false? A wild boar is a species of pig.
True.
You both were right. This might be an even match. Now for 4 trophies. Answer this second-grade English question. Which of the following words can be used as both a verb and a noun? Option A, avoid. Option B, drive. Option C, told.
Repeat.
Which of the following
The
words
verb
can be used as both a
and
verb
a noun.
and a
All right,
noun?
noun. Let's see. Purple.
Option
Some
A,
Play with that thing.
avoid. Option B,
Avoid.
drive.
Avoid.
Option C, told. Giving you some time to
I mean,
think.
avoid is one word, but that's not. That's a tough one. What is it? What is? B. What's B? What is that one? I wanted to hear
If
it.
you need more time,
I need.
just say more time. Which of the following words can be used
Let
as
me
both
see.
a verb and a noun? Option A, avoid. Option B, drive. Option C,
Drive.
told.
Drive.
You both got that one right.
All right.
Now for 6 trophies.
It's a long drive.
Answer this 3rd-grade U.S.
No.
geography question.
Let's go on a drive. No.
What is the capital of Massachusetts? Giving you some time to think.
What is Massachusetts? That's not Boston. What is it? It can't be Boston, right? Boston's not. Is it Boston? Is that easy? Sometimes they're a little tricky. I want to say
If
Boston.
you need more time, just say more time. What is the capital of Massachusetts?
Boston.
You both got that one right. Looks like it's all tied up at the halfway point. You both have 12 trophies.
Uh-oh.
Now for 8 trophies.
Uh-oh.
Answer this 4th-grade math question.
4th grade math. Let me get my pen
True
out.
or false? The only factors of 9 are 1 and 9.
False.
You both were right.
Nice flag there.
Now for 10 trophies.
God, this guy's hanging
Answer
tough.
this 5th-grade math question.
5th grade. Oh my God.
What is
You
the
are
only
listening
prime
to
number that is
DayTrading
back
Radio.
16?
Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out
2.
all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free.
Great job.
Thanks for listening and have a great
Right
day.
answer.
I think we won.
You got 10 trophies for that one. Coming into the finale, you're still ahead of Oz by 10 trophies. It's time for the extra credit. But watch out, this question could come
So
from
someone
any
mentioned
grade.
maybe the possible flag here. And we did. Kind of a little flag here. Got a fast
Now,
rotation.
For 4 trophies, answer this final 2nd-grade animal science question. True or false? A leech is a type of worm.
True. Had plenty of them.
Nice job.
That's something I'm
You
proud
nailed
of.
the extra credit question. And that's game. Good job, you two. Now let's reveal who the winner is. You won by 10 trophies. You collected 47 trophies. 34 from answering questions
I'm
and 8
killing
for
it.
having a 9-game win streak
Killing
and another
it.
5 for completing the double trophy challenge.
Alexa, stop. All right, so let's
Thanks
see
for
here.
playing 5th grader.
We got this push up against the VWAP again. Just look how well that is. I mean, look at how well that works. We pushed up against it here, 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 and here. We're really kind of squeezing here now. It's just, and we kind of got overbought again. And again, that 60-10 is really giving us a good story of what's going on. It's sideways, 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 sideways consolidation. Turning back up, just a slight ramp there. I remember when I was a kid, and I have this lake near me, Rockland Lake. I don't know if you guys can relate to this. I don't know if anybody did this when they were kids, but I used to go tramping in the woods all the time. If I saw a stream, I was in it. I'd walk in the stream, I'd make these spears, and I'd be spearing fish and stuff. And I was really an outdoors kid. When I was at the lake down at Rockland Lake, there was a stream that comes into Rockland Lake, and I was down there trying to catch a carp. And I come out of the stream, and all on my legs, because I had shorts on. I was in with my sneakers and shorts up to my knees. And I come out of it, and there's leeches all on my leg. It's the first time I ever had leeches. I was like, oh my god. They were so scary too. They were stuck on by the head, and I was trying to pull them off, and they were just like into my leg. And then I'm pulling them off. Freaked me out. I had like 5 on my leash. I had one on my in between my. It got into my shoe too. It was oh god! I still remember it. And I was young. I was young, real young, like maybe 15, 14. I had them in my feet. I had them in my shoes. Market here, trying to get through that VWAP. It's so funny that a swamp song comes on right now. I didn't set that up. Out of all my things that I have in my playlist, I have maybe one good swamp song, and this is it. Great memories, Northwest. Great memories. Jug fishing. I used to go jug fishing all the time. Forts, making spears, bow and arrows. I have a knife like Rambo. Mo Money got me the knife. There's a member here that sent me a knife set for Christmas. A big Rambo knife. I have it. Bone handle, really nice. Collector's edition. Like, who had one of those knives growing up that you twist the top off, and it had a top, it was a compass, and then you twisted the top off, and inside there was matches, like a little wire saw.
You're listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
You had one of those. It's funny. Those things are big back in All right, so again, kind of just kind of a tough area here. I mean, kind of gambling on which way you're going to go. This is what we try not to do, is just try to get overly, back and forth here in this chop session. We're waiting for that divergence to set up, maybe waiting for a good channel to set up and a reversal pivot. There's like an alert going off underneath. You hear that scary music, that means there's an alert going off. KHC here, let's take a look at it. Craft here. Why is it going off? Oh, it's on the lower support line. That's what we like. A couple other stocks I want to take a look at. Target, TGT. It's been going sideways still here, but we are getting a little pop on Target today.
Google ticker GOOGL says Gemini is now available on the iPhone. That is Google ticker GOOGL.
All right, what can we see here? We can see that 9.3 here kind of gave us a little selling coming in. Again, let's pay attention to that today. If we're going to take any trades, always make sure your 9.3 is going to be on your side. Now we got that pullback. You can see we're underneath the 200, underneath the VWAP. A little more downward pressure today. Again, right on that 6,000 level. Looks like every rotation's been probably a good sell area. That QUBT still hanging in there. We have a good shot at breaking through 4 today. Let's take a look at the some of these areas here. OMER, QUBT, quantum computing. UAVS and HTOO. HTOO, fusion fuel green. 51 cents at the highs here. We're going to circle that off. Just these are the stocks that are starting to show up on the radar. Gorv, Lazy Day Holdings here. New highs on the day here. Keep an eye on this one. This one's just popping up on our list. Gorv, Gorv here. I beat Racer. Racer's been usually great on these, but this is starting to move now. Gorv. Nice pop.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio.
Auto truck
Sign up
dealership.
completely for free with no credit
Lazy
card.
Day
You can
Holdings.
try out
One
all of our
those.
services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
Beat you, Mr. Land. Beat you to that one. Beat you to it. Wow, that's taking off pretty fast here. Oh, man. And then take it. Gorv. Here. What is it? What do they do? All right, I'm in 200 shares. I don't know what they do. Higher risk. I'm in. I'm not sure exactly what they do. Be safe with this. 177. I'm in. 177. 200 shares. I'm in 200 shares here. Trade alert in the box. We're going to bring that up on our screen. Gorv. GORV here, GORV on the move. Jet skis. Operates a holding company a recreational vehicle dealership found generally around providing RV ownerships, a full spectrum of vehicles, RV sales, RV services, financial insurance, projects, parts. So RV stuff here. Lazy Day Holdings was founded 2015, headquarters in Florida, Sefner, Florida. Maestro's already in and out. Nice going there. Thanks, Racer. All right, market back under 6,000 here. Back under 6,000. We start to lose 6,000, and we start to gain 6,000 here. This could be definitely could be a situation here. Did it get halted here? Let me see. Oh, I'm up on it already. 30. I'm up on it. 200 shares. Didn't show up. Oh yeah, it's halted here. I got a halt on it. There we go.
You are listening to Day Trading Radio. Sign up completely for free with no credit card. You can try out all of our services for 10 days at dtr.tv/free. Thanks for listening and have a great day.
GORV shares were halted on a circuit breaker at the high. Golf Oscar Romeo Victor, GORV.
QUBT here pushing back up. I still think this one could get through $4. It looks pretty good. QUBT. I sent out one this morning, DSM. When did you sign that up there, DSM? Again, remember, we're only going to put out the super signals on those, so they're not going to be, when you get an alert, you want to be part of it, but there are maybe going to be 5 to 7 alerts a day, maybe even sometimes, maybe not even one, depending on what the setups are. So again, that's important to remember on the Voxer alerts. GRRV, you won't get this. You won't get stocks on the Voxer. That's purely futures trades. Unless there's an emergency, I'll use the Voxer. If there's something really, really big, I'll put that out there. DNS Monty. All right, I'm gonna have to look. Did you send your Voxer username in? On an email, ironaction@yahoo.com. No, I'm talking about your that's something a little bit different about the Voxer. Um, did you just send in your Voxer? 195. Let's watch this GORV here. Either way, I'll have it set up by the end of the day here for you. Um, I try not to put the Voxers on during the day because they go out as alerts sometimes, and they go into everyone gets an alert on that. I'm kind of trying to get those in at the end of the day. Watch this QUBT here again. $4. I think we're gonna pop through this QUBT. Oh, I need to fix the YouTube chat here. Let me fix that. Someone mentioned that was down kind of before. The audio on YouTube. Watch your strut. I like that.